API 1169. It's becoming a big thing that will probably be needed in the pipeline inspection part of this stuff now. I know that a lot of companies are requiring like CWIs to also have their API 1169. Even if you have your NACE, they're also asking for your API 1169. I got a couple of buddies that lost a few jobs or couldn't get the jobs because they didn't have their 1169. I know that's a bad thing, but now these companies are requiring these different certifications. But I'm gonna go ahead and take mine. I haven't taken it yet, but I'm gonna just go ahead and pay the fee and take it. And if I fail it, I'm gonna take it again. I'm not gonna go through their course because I'm familiar with a lot of this stuff when they're talking about, Jeep and pipe, pigging, and all this other stuff. Just different phrases that they're used on the whenever you're taking this test. Your work side, your ditch side, and it's just a lot of pipeline slang that will be asked on these tests. I asked one of my current students. He has his 1169, and he was giving me some information. But I'm gonna show you something here. We're gonna log on to API.org. So just go to www.api.org, and when you get there, go over here to the certification. If you want to see the fees and everything, just click right here. And this tells you the different dates, like in 2020. And we're looking for the 1169. This is the date right here, February the 7th is the deadline, and this is the testing site. And all these tests are going to be done at the Prometric site. It's all online. You see 1169. We're going to go on down, and I probably end up taking it right around this time right here because you're in this pipeline business. You don't know what job you're going to be on next. You don't know where you're going to be. I know a few people have already scheduled and paid for these, and they had to reschedule because of their job. So I'm going to try to take it around this time right here. So I need to get my application in by October the 9th. But you also want to know the fees. If you go here and click on fees, like the 1169, but the price to take the 1169 right here for API member fees is $360. If you're a non-member, it's $480. I don't know if you can use your AWS membership or not, but I'll find out and I'll put it in the description below. But I did call API, and they told me that they got a list of companies that are considered members. And if we work for those companies, you would pay the membership fee. So we're going to go to the certification right here. And we're going to click the requirements. The requirements for your certifications. Let's click right here, and it'll go to your drop down. We'll look for 1169. 1169. And this right here tells you what kind of experience you need, like 2 years in this pipeline inspection. So you can read through this and see if you're qualified to even take the test. But if you're a CWI, you are qualified to go ahead and take this test, because what you have to do next is put in your application. First, you got to put in an application to apply, and once you approve, they'll send you an email letting you know your test date. And you just click on that, follow the instructions, and like I said, you go and take these tests at the Prometric site. I think the 1169, they test like 4 times a year. Like I say, I'm probably end up taking mine in December. If it depends on where I'm at or what job I'm on, but I'm gonna try to schedule it and pay my $360. And like I said, if I fail it, I just pay it again and retry it. I'm not gonna go through the course, but if you want to take courses, they got that stuff online also. Like I said, it's going to be taken on the Prometric site. And I asked my student, and I got all the information that I need right here to study. And he said on the right hand side, when they ask you questions, they have all these manuals there. So you can click on it and it opens up the manual, and you have to find the information on the computer. So you don't bring in no paperwork or anything. Everything is done online when you get ready to test. Like I said, I got all this information right here. So I'm going to start going through a few of it. And he said a lot of it is over safety, you know, and coding and different things like that. You'll have a few questions over welding. But these are the files I already have. So I'm from 2016. I'm pretty sure it ain't changed that much. So I'm gonna study over this and take it, and I'll update you guys once I finish my test. And if you want to do some training online, they got this little website here I found. And if anybody have used this Code Pros, put some information in the description below and let me know what you think about it. This is you can pay $700 or $699 for this course, and it'll take you through what's going to be on 1169. So you could pay $700 here, and then you pay your $360 to take the test. But before you can buy this, first you have to click here and see if you're approved to take the 1169. Once you get your approval, you can go ahead and purchase this off this website right here. Like I said, here's the link to that website, and it's $700. So the course, and like I said, it shows you the introduction, then you have your module 1, module 2, and it gives you a quiz on after each module. So I think this will be a good study material if you want to pass it the first time. Just pay your $700 and take this course right here. And then at the end, it'll give you like a practice exam, 3 different exams, see how you do before you even go and take the test. So if anybody have paid for this little course right here, if you don't mind, leave some information in the description and I'll share it with all my viewers. And like I said again, people are requiring this 1169. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day. And if you want to take some Cwi practice quizzes, just look below in the description. It's a link to my practice quizzes. All right, thank you and have a great day.